Part A of Original Medicare generally covers hospital services. For most people, there is no premium associated with Part A, as long as you or your spouse have paid Medicare taxes while working. Part B covers medical services like doctor visits and outpatient care. The standard monthly premium for Part B is determined annually and is typically paid directly by you. The cost for Part B is $164.90. Remember that this premium can vary based on your income. Plan G comes with a monthly premium that varies depending on factors such as your location, age, and insurance company. On average, the premium for Plan G ranges from around $100 to $200 per month. It's important to note that different insurance providers may offer slightly different pricing. Medicare Advantage plans, also known as Part C, are offered by private insurance companies approved by Medicare. The cost of a Medicare Advantage plan can vary widely depending on factors such as location, coverage options, and specific plan benefits. While some Medicare Advantage plans have low or even $0 monthly premiums, others may have higher premiums. Medicare Part D plans are offered by private insurance companies approved by Medicare to provide prescription drug coverage. The cost of a Part D plan can vary depending on the specific plan, its coverage, and the insurance provider. On average, monthly premiums for Part D plans range from around $20 to $100, depending on factors like the level of coverage, deductible, and the drugs included in the formulary. A typical Medicare Advantage plan with prescription drug coverage utilizes a formulary with tiered drug coverage. You'll typically have cost sharing in the form of copayments or coinsurance based on the drug tier. It's crucial to review the plan's formulary, understand the cost-sharing structure, and be aware of the different stages of prescription drug coverage. Medigap plans generally do not include dental coverage. If you're seeking dental benefits, you'll need to enroll in a standalone dental insurance plan, which can range in cost from around $15 to $50 or more per month. Reviewing the coverage options and considering your specific dental needs is crucial when choosing a plan. Medicare Advantage plans have the potential to include dental coverage as an optional benefit. The extent of dental services covered can vary between plans, ranging from preventive care to more extensive treatments. Cost sharing and network restrictions may also apply, so carefully reviewing plan details is crucial. The cost of standalone vision plans can range from around $10 to $30 or more per month, depending on the coverage and benefits provided. Some plans may require you to pay copayments or coinsurance for certain services, while others may have a set annual limit on coverage. Medicare Advantage plans have the potential to include vision coverage as an optional benefit. The extent of vision services covered can vary between plans, ranging from routine eye exams to prescription eyeglasses or contact lenses. Cost sharing and network restrictions may also apply, so carefully reviewing plan details is crucial. In conclusion, Original Medicare plus these additional plans typically have a monthly cost of $389.90 and an annual cost of $4,678.80. These figures may vary depending on your location and age. Medicare Advantage plans typically have a monthly cost of $164.90 and a yearly cost of $1,978.80. These figures represent the average expenses associated with Medicare Advantage coverage. It's important to note this does not include the Medicare Part B premium giveback, a reduction offered by some Medicare Advantage plans. In our previous discussion, we explored the fixed costs associated with Medicare plans. Now, let's shift our focus to the crucial aspect of variable costs. Variables play a significant role in determining the right Medicare plan for you. These costs can vary based on your healthcare usage frequency and overall health. Let's talk about the deductibles between these two options. With Medicare Supplement Plan G in 2023, you have an annual deductible of $226. However, many Medicare Advantage plans do not have a deductible. After meeting your deductible, you may encounter copays and coinsurance. With Medicare Supplement Plan G, you don't have copays or coinsurance. However, with Medicare Advantage plans, you'll have copays for various services within the healthcare system. Excess charges are the additional amount you're responsible for when visiting out-of-network doctors or hospitals. With Medicare Supplement Plan G, excess charges are covered. But with Medicare Advantage plans, you'll be confined to a network, and going out of network may result in higher costs or being responsible for 100% of the cost. In terms of maximum out-of-pocket costs, it's important to note that Medicare Plan G does not have an out-of-pocket maximum. After meeting the deductible, Plan G covers all Medicare-approved procedures and services. On the other hand, Medicare Advantage plans do have an out-of-pocket maximum. This means that you will have out-of-pocket costs in the form of copays and coinsurance until you reach the plan's maximum. For the purpose of this example, let's consider a maximum out-of-pocket limit of $5,500 for our Medicare Advantage plan. Now, let's dive into the comparison of total costs. When considering potential surgeries and other expenses that may occur throughout the year, the total variable annual risk for a supplement plan G is $226. On the other hand, for this example, we will consider the annual risk for a Medicare Advantage plan to be $5,500 for in-network services. It's important to note that depending on your specific Advantage plan, you may be 100% responsible for the costs of out-of-network services. On a good year, considering the inclusion of Part D, vision, and dental coverage, Plan G would cost you $389.90 monthly or $4,678.80 annually. On the other hand, an Advantage plan would have a monthly cost of $164.90 or $1,978.80 on an annual basis. Clearly, you can see that with an Advantage plan, you would be saving $2,700 per year. If this were the only consideration, an Advantage plan would seem like the obvious choice. However, we must also take into account the possibility of bad years, especially as we age and experience more health challenges. Now, let's examine a bad year scenario. With Plan G, our total annual cost, after factoring in the $226 Part B deductible, amounts to $4,904.80. As for the Advantage plan, we need to add the annual cost of $1,978.80 and the in-network out-of-pocket cost of $5,500, resulting in a total of $7,478.80. In this scenario, Plan G saves us $2,574 over the Advantage plan. It's important to note that your overall health also plays a significant role in variable costs. Individuals with chronic conditions or specific healthcare requirements may have higher medical expenses. Therefore, understanding the variable costs associated with Medicare plans is crucial for making well-informed decisions. To ensure you choose the right plan for your health and financial needs, it's essential to consult with a licensed Medicare agent who can provide guidance and assistance. Having the right coverage is crucial, as the last thing you want to worry about when you're ill is whether you're adequately covered.